Hello again, YouTube. We're continuing on our Dead Rising 2 Case West, Part 4. Dun dun dun, bloody. But before we start, my friend wanted me to show you his pictures. This one has like, I don't know, but something in a zombie's head. This one, yeah, I don't know what it is. Guy throwing up. Yeah, that's pretty funny. Cream Puffman. And then dun. Okay, so now let's get started. Last time we left off,
knock it off, Frank.
I was trying to break this TV.
Watch it.
And I got a little smiley face hat. Woo!
I got a top hat.
I'm gonna burn this TV. Yes, I did it! It turned off. Now I'm gonna do this TV. There.
Okay, come on. We gotta go.
You could throw... I never knew that you could actually throw gems at people. That's weird.
Hold on.
Orange juice! Oh!
There
Run!
was 2 shotguns.
Run!
Who put 2 shotguns?
Careful. Ah. Knock it off.
I know.
Ah! Let's go.
Oh. There's another queen.
Ah. Yeah.
I got 2 queens.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry
This
up.
way. This way. Come here. Let's try this way. Let's do this. Come on.
I'm gonna drink some orange juice. Hey, I was drinking some orange juice. Orange juice.
Where'd you
Orange.
get the orange juice?
Oh, I found it in the cafeteria.
Oh.
Cafeteria. Sorry about this.
So far, I killed 356 zombies.
Let's go! La 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 la.
Dude, how many zombies you killed?
I don't know. Yay! Got a lot of health back.
Dude, it tells you how many zombies you killed.
I got 133 kills.
Not one. Dude, most of the work then.
Oh, I don't go in there. I go over here.
Wait.
Ah! Ah! Dude, I need help. I'm about to die. There's 3 security guards in here. Die.
Oh crap, I don't have a shotgun.
I killed all them. Okay. They're now supposed to go over here. Why is it telling me to go in a circle?
Oh, it's because it's right here.
Yeah, needed this.
Final clue.
Yeah, I need some food.
I'll look for some food.
Yes.
There it is.
Austin, video ain't over. Just hold on. Okay. Now we shall follow. Ah!
Okay, now we should follow. Who's Exactly.
Dude! Help!
Looks like you need help.
I'm gonna throw a football at him. That's such a good throw.
Damn it, sorry.
No.
You keep getting up! Okay, let's go.
I hear it.
Sorry.
Hurry up, there's a zombie over here.
Come on. Let's do this. Right already.
Oh wow, my friend could play with us right now if there was 3 people.
Yeah. If there was, I think they should
Yes,
make
there
that. Oh,
Yeah, they
God.
should make another one with 3 people.
Why do we have to come all the way back here when we just were over here?
I don't know.
Oh wait, I saw a snack.
Oh, and a little also about Frankie to be a wrestler. It says in off the record. You haven't played it. Oh, you want it to be whipped cream, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't open. Okay. Face me.
Okay. Oh.
Turn. Yeah, turn. You want me to take a picture out there of us?
Yeah. What about my legs and my
I got him.
my
Okay.
hand?
Come on, face me. Face me. And that wasn't the best one because it was fading, but it was good.
Dang it! Trying to cut apples. Sorry.
Ow!
Why does it put like an exclamation mark? And then it said Chuck's evidence.
Oh, we got head to the shipping office. Hurry up.
Ah! Dude, I have to get some stuff. I have to eat something.
Oh, I found it.
You did?
Yeah. Dude, there's a lab code in here. I'm gonna get it.
No, I want to get it.
I already got it. Get one too.
Oh, yay!
Gotcha.
Okay.
I need a lab coat.
Oh, thank you.
This works.
Sounds nice, my gal.
Do we have to save her or something?
Yeah, I already did. Come on, we gotta go back to the shipping office. Or we're dead. Or it's game over.
Hurry up!
Make a run for it. Lab coat and top hat. Yeah, you're cause blood in my
I
last.
heard that Lisa. Is it true that Lisa's following us?
No. No, I got my glass filter. Why? Why do you want?
Go! We have to hurry, dude. Or else.
Ricochet.
Ricochet. Hurry!
Double tap.
Oh, hurry! Whee! Whee! Here.
If you want to get by zombies, best jump.
I'm coming, dude.
Comment. Beat that.
What happened?
Got out. No, I don't know.
Come on.
Okay.
This way,
Go,
buddy.
go, go, go. Go in.
Go to the combo part tree in the pause menu to see which combo weapons you know to make. Oh,
You know how to fight without weapons, right?
yeah. How? You hold X.
Oh, I know one.
How do you do that?
Only French do it, but you hold RT and click X. And if you want like awesome,
Okay, son. What do we do?
we have to wait here.
Okay, let's play around. Tagger it.
Wait a minute.
You're it. No!
Hey! Get out of the way!
We'll play a little tag.
No! I don't!
Get out of my way!
Oh!
Wait a minute.
You wanna play tag?
Oh! Cut it out!
Oh,
Ow.
ha, ha, ha. Here is something.
Stop running, you little coward.
Ow. Oh, Tato. Is there a lot of Tato?
Get out in front! Knock it off, Chuck!
Sucker. Oh,
They're collecting queens from the zombies with that gas.
Those zombies are from Fortune City. Do you get it now?
Skip it. No, do not want to join to you.
It's
There's
for
a
you,
spider
Frank.
web.
He says the director's office should have the evidence
Okay,
to clear
now-
your name. You need to
Wait,
get a
don't
key
skip.
card to get in there, but it's rigged up with alarms.
Damn it! Let's get the hell out of here.
Okay, Dave. Wait a minute, is that the end of the video?
Goodbye, YouTube. We will be making us a new level. Peace out. Home dogs.